When you open your Tesla app and see last seen with your vehicle showing as offline, this typically indicates the car has entered sleep mode. Sleep mode activates automatically to conserve battery life, cutting off internet connectivity to prevent unnecessary power drain. Other causes include network connectivity problems or occasional software glitches that prevent proper communication between your app and vehicle. The following sections will demonstrate practical steps to wake your Tesla and troubleshoot any connectivity problems. To confirm if your Tesla is truly offline, start by checking for a simple delay. Sometimes the app takes a moment to update status. Next, test basic commands through the app. Try unlocking the car or starting the climate control. If these work, the car is likely online. If app commands fail, physically check the car. Is it powered down? Are the screens off? Is it in an area with poor cell coverage? The easiest solution is to wake the car. In the Tesla app version 4.24 or later, tap the Wake Vehicle button. Alternatively, use your key fob to unlock the car. This should rouse the car from sleep mode and re-establish the connection. Give it a minute to reconnect. If waking the car doesn't work, restart the Tesla app on your phone. Ensure your phone has a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Try toggling airplane mode on and off on your phone to reset the network connection. Drive the car to an area with better cellular reception. A weak signal can prevent the app from reconnecting. If the problem persists, force reboot the car's touchscreen. Press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds until the screen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. This restarts the car's computer and can resolve connectivity glitches. Tesla vehicles use sleep mode as a power-saving feature that activates after 10 to 15 minutes of inactivity, disconnecting from the network to preserve battery life. Sleep mode prioritizes when the main battery is below 20% to prevent complete depletion and ensure the vehicle remains functional. To improve connectivity and reduce offline issues, charge your Tesla above 20% battery level. Additionally, be mindful of the 12-volt auxiliary battery, which powers the infotainment system and app connection. Frequent app refreshes can drain this battery rapidly, leading to connectivity problems. If none of these steps work, contact Tesla support. They can run remote diagnostics to identify more complex issues. Note down the approximate time of the issue for the support team. Some users have had success with Tesla remotely pushing updates or resetting connections.